In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check liked posts on LinkedIn. If you've ever reacted to something useful on LinkedIn and wanted to find it again, this walkthrough shows you exactly where those posts live. It's great for revisiting articles, videos, and conversations you've supported, and for keeping track of what you engage with on the platform. First, head to LinkedIn and open your feed, the homepage where new posts from your network appear. This is your starting point, and from here, we'll jump into your personal activity. Next, look to the top of the screen and click the option labeled Me beside your profile photo. This opens your personal menu with shortcuts to your profile, settings, and your recent activity. If your interface looks slightly different due to an update, just look for the menu tied to your profile photo. From that menu, choose Posts and Activity. This opens a page that collects your content and interactions in one place so you can quickly switch between your posts, comments, and reactions without scrolling through your entire feed. Once you're on the activity page, select Reactions. LinkedIn groups all your responses here, including like, celebrate, support, love, insightful, and curious. Selecting Reactions filters the view so you only see posts you've responded to, which is the fastest route back to items you've liked. You'll notice each entry shows the creator's name, a preview of the post, the reaction you added, and when you reacted. That makes it easy to scan and jump straight to the content that matters. If you interact with a lot of content, this view keeps everything organized and saves you time. You'll now see a chronological list of posts you've reacted to. Scroll to find the item you had in mind and click any post to open it fully. From there, you can reread an article, watch a video again, leave a follow-up comment, or save the post for easier access. If something no longer appears, it may have been removed or its visibility settings changed, so don't worry if the list occasionally has gaps. Use timestamps to spot recent items first, and make it a habit to save standout posts so you can return to them quickly later. And that's all there is to it. By going to your feed, opening the Me menu, choosing Posts and Activity, and then Reactions, you can check your liked posts on LinkedIn anytime and easily revisit the content you care about. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical LinkedIn tips. Thanks for watching.